What is going on? And today we are gonna finally work on the Soarer. We're gonna finally get this ride height adjusted, give it a slight bit of camber, get the wheel to sit in there nicely. Same thing for the rear. There is a wire tuck that I have to do on this side. It's a harness that sits up inside. You gotta tuck the harness out of the way, get it out, put it over, and then we're gonna roll the fenders so I can get a nice tuck going, and we're gonna go from there. Let's get to it. So I have the fender removed already. This is the harness that runs on the SC and on the Soarer. So on the SC, this harness runs on the driver's side, and on the Soarer it runs on the driver's side as well, but the passenger side for anybody that has a SC. So yeah, SC that side, Soarers this side. Originally on my SC, what I did was I unpinned the entire harness, removed it out, ran this all the way in. I removed it from here, tucked everything in, ran it all the way from the top, just like this one, back in, and then right down. This time I'm just gonna try to somehow run it right here along the fender on the top, make something where I can kind of like rivet it here, take it out of this plastic, and yeah. This plug right here is for the brake master cylinder, and I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of videos on this already, or maybe there isn't, I'm not 100% sure, but just in case, here's another one.
Oh, good recording. Hey.
So yeah, on the SC and on the Soarers, if you slam the car with this right here, you will ride through this entire harness, and that would be a shitty day, bro. There's people that have gone completely through everything.
Plug it right back up?
No, Bubba, they blow fuses. It gets crazy, bro. You can burn out modules. But on the SC, what I was saying is that I disconnected it last time completely out of the ECU, not the ECU, the box. I ran it all the way through the engine bay and back out. This time I'm just gonna remove everything and just try to tuck it through here. Right there.
But then you gotta put screws here?
No, that's for the fender liner. I don't use that no more. So I could even like tie wrap it here, or buy some like wire rivets, rivet it there. I'm gonna do something different this time. Less wires in the engine bay, and it'll look a little better, I think. You think so? I can just drill a hole and look. Pow! And I'm gonna disconnect the pipe here, go around the pipe, go over it like that. It's gonna be a lot nicer and a lot better this time around. I'm gonna you know? I hate doing this. Sucks. God. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and wrapped it all up into a nice bundle. I relocated this piece of wire loom that was back here. Relocated it up here just for some extra protection, just in case. Now I have these babies right here that are gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep this nice and fastened all the way up here, very far away. It'll never get hurt, never get damaged. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, drill a hole, and go in. Keep it safe and far from everything. So that's where we're at right now. Let's continue. I'll put one right here. No.
Where are the little hooks at?
What little hooks? The bungees?
Yeah.
On Laura's kitchen, chicken coop.
No, man, not those. Those are the two little cheapy chopper ones that we take this car. Whose car? This car.
Marcos?
Yeah.
Bungees.
Yeah.
They're on Lauren's chicken coop. She's using it. Take them. So this is where I'm at. I drilled a nice large hole right here to run the, this is the brake master cylinder wiring. Right here, I went through, out through here, and then to the brake master cylinder right here. So now that that is ran, let this focus. All right, now that that's ran, this is ran well. I already lifted the metal a little bit right here so it wouldn't contact too much. Just gotta work the fender and we are good to go. Slap on the wheels. Sweet. Hey guys, just keep in mind, we don't do bacon fenders around here. We cut them. No bacon. What? No bacon. No bacon around here. We don't do bacon. Smoothest roll ever done. Very smooth little roll. Beautiful. That is an appropriate roll. Alright, this side's ready. This is how you properly do this job. No more wires. Everything is very nicely put away. Alright. And instead of rolling, we just went ahead and completely cut it off. Paper thin. We shouldn't have a single issue with doing a nice like flush fender to lip fitment. Very nice. We got the space. This has been worked a little bit to straighten it out. That way it wouldn't hit too much. I sprayed black paint on it so I can see if the tire rubs anywhere as I start to drop. And we will work it from there on out. Everything's looking really good though. Very nice. Okay, my friends, everything is done. This side is done. Just got everything cut on this side. This side is just as good. Look at that. Fantastic. Very thin. Shouldn't have an issue with rubbing or any of that stuff. Might have to just take it down just a notch more over here. Sweet. So I would say that's it for today, guys. All I'm missing now to do is just put the wheels on and adjust the ride height and start messing with the camber just a little bit, nothing crazy. But so I got everything finally finished up that I wanted to get done today. So I'm super excited about that, guys. Next we're gonna drop the car just a tad bit, you know, get the camber in just a little bit, nothing crazy. I do want to tuck the wheels up front and in the rear, so definitely stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.